Hey, my name is Abdur Rahim Khan. I'm a graduate from Karachi Medical and Dental College in Karachi, Pakistan, and I am also an aspiring pathology resident. When I came to the US, I was looking for internships that would accept me and give me a holistic approach of pathology. And I came across CorePath Labs, to whom I reached out, and thankfully I got an immediate response from their HR team. They set up a rotation for me, and I came here in August. And I was met here with a very friendly environment and a very amazing culture. The environment here is just one of the best things that I experienced over here. Everybody, is very friendly. Everybody has their inside jokes, and that's amazing to me. So we started off our rotation with accessioning. Accessioning is basically how the samples for pathology come inside the lab, and we get to see how they're processed. From there, the samples get sent to either one of the 4 core specialties inside the lab, because this is a reference lab. So the 4 specialties that we rotated at are flow cytometry, cytogenetics, fish, and histotechnology. We got an in-depth approach of all of these 4 branches of pathology, and then after all of our rotations with these, we got a one-to-one session with the practicing pathologists here that gave us an in-depth approach of how to work up samples, how to kind of distinguish samples on H&E, immunohistochemical stains, and all the other various things that they do over here. So from 2 to 3 p.m. we would have scope sessions where various pathologists inside the lab would bring difficult cases, and we would go together with them in how to make a definitive diagnosis regarding using different immunohistochemical stains, and also using a different pair of eyes, because obviously a second pair of eyes usually helps in these sort of situations. And it was a very educational and informative discussion on how the mind of a pathologist works, working up these very difficult cases. After the scope sessions, we would have a personal discussion with Dr. Ehsan, which was very eye-opening and educational experience for us, because it gave us a in-depth approach to the pathology as a field as a whole. And it was a very eye-opening experience that it gave us in-depth insight into the business aspect of the field and also the academic aspect. He would help us work up difficult cases and give us a functional understanding of his facility here at CorePath. And overall, I would say this rotation was one of the best rotations that I've ever had in the US, and I would highly recommend all aspiring pathologists, either they be American medical grads, international medical grads, to come rotate over here. And also, if you're an undergrad interested in going to medical school, you don't really have that much exposure to pathology in medical school, so I would highly recommend you come take a couple of weeks, rotate around this facility, and get a good understanding of pathology. So in the end, CorePath was an amazing experience, and I would highly recommend everyone to come here, rotate over here. Thank you.